Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about some project files of Revit. We are into Autodesk website wiki, and from here we will download some sample Revit files. You may have got those files in your Revit installation. If you don't, go to Google and search for Revit sample project files. It will take you to this page where you have different 7 type of files: advanced sample project, basic sample project, and others. I have downloaded RAC basic sample project, and here it is. So this is the project that we have downloaded from Revit. It is complete and it is for our reference to the complete project overview. At the leftmost corner, you'll find the project over here where we have different floor plans. When I click on floor plan, you see the properties are changing and the scale is 1:50. We are in level 1 and this is how it look like. I'll recommend you to go ahead and download some sample projects yourself and then have a look at it. In this way, you'll get a complete overview of how a project should be created. This is the level 2 of that project. You'll see we are in this different mode. Let's get to the realistic, save the project. And now you can see the realistic display. You may have seen such displays on the scheme documents of any construction project. Let's go to level 3. Here it is. And site, which is this one. Now let's take a look at ceiling plans, level 1. From here, when you double click on this elevation, it will give you the view of east elevation. We will close that. This is south elevation. This is how our building looks like. We'll close it. This is north elevation. Of course, you can change it to realistic. It may take some time. Here it is. And you can have a look from any elevation you want. This is level 2 of our ceiling plans. Let's take a look at some 3D views. 3D view of fireplace. So this is the fireplace. 3D view of the kitchen, and here it is. 3D view of living room. This is how the living room looks like. So I'll recommend you to download those sample files and have a look yourself. Thank you.